I want to introduce Promise Epoxy to you guys. If you don't know who they are, let me introduce them. They're who I use to make amazing freaking products like this. So I get the best results consistently across the board. And it doesn't matter if you need a casting resin, a tabletop resin, a longer open time with an extra UV resistance. This is your go-to. Do you hear me? Use code FLUIDWOOD for 10% off. Get you some. A lot of people ask me, what is the resin that I use? Like, how do I get my super clear pores? How do I get my finishes the way they are? How do I obtain these results consistently? That's the key in all of my projects. What I use is Promise Epoxy. All right, so I know you're seeing 3 different types of resin. Why 3 different types of resin? If you don't know the differences in resin, then go and watch this video. It's up here at one of these. And that will explain the different types of resin, okay? So after you know what type of resin you need, then you go out and you buy that thing. If you're doing a casting pour, which is deep pours, you're gonna use this for the mass of the pour. Then you're gonna have to use this one for the finish. Say if you do paintings or artwork or something like that, or you wanna do a dirty pour or anything like that. This one is the one that you're gonna wanna use because it has a longer open time and things like that. I have used this one and this one on tumblers. I've worked with a lot of resins. I have tried a lot of resins. I still try a lot of resins. People send me their products all the time so that way I can try them. Maybe I'll switch over to their brand, but I haven't had anybody that I wanted to switch over to their brand yet. I have done so many product reviews and I just keep coming back to this product. I don't think I'm going anywhere anytime soon, but I always try new products unbiased. Like if something's gonna give me a really good result, why not do that? You know what I mean? But these guys have been just super, super consistent. They also have these color creators right here. Let me show them to you. They just came out with Color Creator and they have 4 different packs. This is the Premier Gift Pack. These are your colors. Beautiful freaking colors. It also comes with 5 mica powders. And can I say one of them is diamond dust? This shit is amazing. This one right here looks really fun. And I wonder if the gold is afloat to the top. We shall see. And it also comes with 5 fine glitters. Okay? So you got silver, gold, black, red, looks copper, and blue. All right, so that's the Premier Gift Pack. Then you have the Pacific Gift Pack. And you get these alcohol inks. Baja Blue is my favorite. Fuji Green as well. Fiji Green as well. Fiji Green and Rainforest. Yeah, them things gonna be everything. All right, so then you get these colors. And this Crater Lake Blue. Can I just say? And then these glitters. All right, and then you have the Greenland gift pack, and that comes with this bronze that's freaking fire. Black metallic, copper metallic, gold metallic, and forest green metallic. You get these 2 glitters and these alcohol inks. Pineapple, emerald, mahogany, rainforest, and gardenia. All right, and last but definitely not least, you have the Chameleon gift pack. And that comes with these color changing powders. And I love color changing powders. If you don't know, I love color changing powders. Like, look at the shift in those. Oh, it's so sexy. Purple's my favorite. Ooh. I might have to open that one up. Pink and red. Ooh. I like that. What's up with this blue? So these are glitters and these are powders. Oh, that's really pretty. Blue-green color change glitter. We're going to do some cups. Golden green glitter. That's really pretty. We're going to do some cups with these. All right. And then silver. Oh, this is pretty. I love that hollow look. All right, so that is the Chameleon gift pack. This is the Greenland gift pack, Pacific gift pack, and the Premier gift pack. Okay? And that is what these look like. I'm so excited for these. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Can I just say, oh my goodness. Use code FLUIDWOOD for 10% off, but god dang. And that goes for resin. Or any of this amazing stuff. Also, I get this question a lot. Polish an epoxy cleaner. Hold on. This right here is everything. And yes, they have it, and it freaking works so good. Even as good as this. I swear. I ain't even gonna hold you up. Even as good as Chemical Brothers. Like, if you see what I use these. So much that I broke my trigger. Alright, you guys, go get you some. Use code FLUIDWOOD for 10% off of Promise Epoxy.